Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today we're going to continue work on the Jeep Grand Cherokee project. Thanks for joining me for part 4 of the Jeep Grand Cherokee project. Now that I've got everything opening and closing, now we move on to starting and stopping. I did run this out of gas the other day, so do have to get some gas in it. And I absolutely hate these fucking safety cans. I've spilt more gas with these than with the regular ones. This thing has been starting slow ever since I went and picked it up or even saw it online. And if it sits more than a couple of days, I have to recharge the battery. So we'll just see if it'll start at all right now. Let's see if I need to throw that on the charger. Alright, so this is a 13 millimeter on these, and you would just want to start with the ground first, like always. Just take the ground off first, and then we'll take the positive off. And again, that is just a 13 mil. And then that comes off. Looks like there's a hold down on that side. All right, that hold down is a 10 millimeter. And that'll just lift right out. Here, look at that hold down strap. This is nice. This handle actually just slides right off, so you don't have to have that attached to the battery when it's under the hood. So we'll put the positive on first. put the ground on. Alright, nice and snug. And we'll fire it up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, give it a share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.
Goodbye.